Hello and welcome back to Chives. In today's video, we will be creating this simple and easy crochet cord which you can use for your projects. Take a piece of yarn and your hook and create a slip knot. Take the tail end of the yarn and loop over your hook, holding it into place. Yarn over and pull through both loops in the hook. Reinsert your hook onto the first loop of the stitch below, yarn over and pull through both the loops in your hook. Again, reinsert onto the first loop of the stitch below, yarn over and pull through both the loops in your hook. The cord is sleek and strong and would work well with a lot of your projects. Keep on repeating this until you have reached the desired length for your project. Until the next video, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.